Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add border to data point of chart in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we go to the Insert menu. Then click Chart option. Then Insert a chart. Then click the chart and click data points. Then click right button on our mouse and go to format data series. Then go to the fill color option and choose border option. Then choose solid line. Then apply this process in another data points. Then close the window. Now we can see here we added border to data points of this chart very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.